Hello, everyone! I am so happy to see you. Today, we are going to have fun learning all about the letter A. A is for apple. Look at this delicious red apple right here next to the big letter A. A is for airplane. Look at it fly so high in the beautiful blue sky today. A is for ant. Bye-bye, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all again very soon.
Today, we are learning the letter B.
B is for ball. This colorful ball starts with the letter B. Can you say ball? B is for bee. B is for banana. Look at this delicious yellow fruit that starts with the second letter of the alphabet. Great job, friends! We learned the letter B. You all did such a wonderful job today. Today, we are going to learn about the letter C. It is a very special letter. C is for cat. Look at this cute little kitty standing right here next to me. Look at this little red car. It is so shiny and bright. Remember, children, C is for car. Look at this yummy carrot. Do you know what letter it starts with? That is right. C is for carrot. Great job, friends. We just learned the letter C. Hi, friends. Today we are going to learn the letter D. It is going to be so much fun for everyone. D is for dog. D is for doll. D is for donut. Great job! We just learned the letter D. You are doing such an amazing job learning your alphabet with me today. Welcome back, friends. We made it to the fifth letter in the alphabet, the letter E. Let's learn together. E is for elephant. Can you say elephant? Elephant. E is for egg. This big speckled egg is going to hatch into something very special soon. E is for eagle.
That is exactly right, little bunny.
See you next time, friends. I hope you had a lot of fun learning today with the letter E. Hi, friends. Today we are going to learn the letter F. It is a very fun and fantastic letter to know. F is for flower. F is for fox. F is for frog. Bye, friends. You did a great job learning. I am so proud of you. G is for great. Hello there, little friends. I am so happy to see you today. Let's learn together. G is for giraffe. Look at how tall and friendly you are today. You are a very big giraffe. G is for girl. G is for girl. He is so cute and fluffy. G is for guitar. I love playing music here in this beautiful green meadow with all my friends. You did a great job today. Keep up the amazing work and never give up on your dreams. Hi, kids. Today we are learning the letter H. It is a very special letter and I am so excited to show you. H is for hamburger. Look at this delicious treat we have right here today. H is for house. This is where I live and play every single day in the sunshine. H is for honey. It is sweet and sticky, and it comes from the bees in the meadow. Great job, everyone! We learned the letter H. You all did such an amazing and wonderful job today.